Alyssa, you are my best friend, and I love you with all my heart. I promise to support your dreams and goals and to help you grow as an individual and a wife. I will embrace our adventures and be at your side during the tough times. I promise to try my best to grow, learn, and become a better husband every day. I will love, cherish, and support our family as we grow. Most importantly, I promise to always love you the best I can, forever and always.
Andy, you are my best friend and the love of my life, my everything. I would not be the person I am today if I were not with you. You make me laugh when I'm sad, you make me smile when it's the last thing I feel like doing, and you make me so happy, happier than words could ever describe. I will love you through the ups and downs. I promise to always stand by your side and to support you through anything. To keep you on your toes and continue making this a crazy adventure. And lastly, I will love you with everything I have, forever and always.
You guys are different in so many ways. It's been my joy to get to know you this past year. And God loves to take things that are different and put them together. You think about night and day. Night makes room for day, and day makes room for night, and they are at their absolute best when the colors mix and when they make room for each other. In the morning, when night says, day, I'm making room for you, we get a beautiful sunrise. And in the evenings, when day says, night, I'm making room for you, we get beautiful, gorgeous sunsets. That's a picture of marriage, because marriage is about oneness. It's not about losing who you are, but it's about when two come together, they create something brand new that's beautiful, that would never otherwise be able to be seen.